everyone, I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you a 6-ingredient single-serve cake recipe that you can make either in the microwave or air fryer. We're gonna have 3 variations: chocolate, vanilla sprinkle, and matcha. Since this recipe doesn't require any oil, butter, or fat, it's really important that we grease our ramekin and then dust it with a little bit of flour or cocoa powder if you're making chocolate. The reason for this is greasing it will allow the cake to come out really clean, but the dusting of the flour allows the batter to basically grip on the edges and have a nice rise like a souffle. If we just grease it and don't dust it, then it kind of sinks and it never has this nice like poof. What makes this cake super fluffy and light is psyllium. Psyllium is a type of prebiotic fiber, which means it's food for those gut microbes in your colon. The 5 main ingredients for this recipe is the flour, sugar, baking powder, psyllium husk, as well as the milk of your choice. If you're making vanilla, you would add in sprinkles and vanilla extract. If you're making matcha, you would add in the matcha, and this is the chocolate variety. This one has a cocoa powder in it, but the 4 main ingredients are still present, and then the milk. Whisk together all the dry ingredients and then add in the milk. Make sure that there's no clumps. Then pour the batter into your greased and dusted ramekin and bake in the air fryer for 13 to 14 minutes or microwave for 90 seconds. Once baked, let it cool for about 5 minutes. And there you have it. How simple is that? A single serving cake recipe that's easy enough to make any day of the week. And the best part is you don't have to turn on your oven either. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to share with your friends and family. And until next time, relish everybody. To make the chocolate cake extra special, pour half the batter into the greased and dusted ramekin, then put a dollop of either hazelnut butter or peanut butter, and then top off with the remaining batter before baking. Oh la la! Also, if you come up with any cool flavor combinations, please let me know. I would love to try it myself. All right, bye!